So, Miss Messado, Jennifer Messado, has been disbarred. And if you guys don't know, Jennifer Messado is a prominent lawyer in Jamaica. So the story goes something like this. Embattled real estate attorney Jennifer Messado has been struck from the role of practicing attorneys in Jamaica. The decision was taken by General Legal Counsel GLC after Messado was slapped with more than 6 charges of forgery and obtaining money under false pretense, retaining to several land and property deals. So if you have land in Jamaica, make sure say she not already sell you off. She was disbarred on Saturday. In one instance, Messado is accused of preparing an agreement in June of 2017 for the sale of a property on Waterloo Road in St. Andrew without the knowledge of the owner. In another case, it is alleged that on December 20th, 2017, she prepared an agreement of sale for 2 parcels of land without the knowledge and consent of the owner. She is accused of forging signatures of 2 trustees along with affixing the property's owner's stamp and letterhead to facilitate the transaction, and allegedly collected US $270,000 as a down payment from the prospective purchaser. And yet another case, she is accused of defrauding entertainer Messado, whose real name is David Brooks, of almost 31 million. Okay, let me repeat that. She has defrauded Messado, yes, golly God, of $31 million. 31 million, and politician Norman Home of approximately 28 million in fraudulent land transaction. Following reports during the hearing of one matter in June that Messado was winded down in her operation to leave the island, and that is still on the cards. The judge granted her bail on condition that she reported daily at the Constant Spring police station, surrender her travel documents with a stop order in place, and abide by a curfew order which requires her to be inside her home between the hours of 7 p.m. and 6 a.m. And if you guys didn't know, one of the days that she was scheduled to go to her court case, this lady Didi, she did it upon herself. And I don't know if it was a plot for sympathy, or it was her just cannot handle the pressure of everything she's going through, because she's an older woman, and you know, once you get older, certain muscles don't clench the same and they can't hold the same pressure and all of that. So I don't know. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. If you think it was a plot for sympathy, or do you think she's getting older in age and she just cannot hold it anymore and the DD just come out. So do you think that because of all these charges it was warranted for her to be disbarred? Me, quite frankly, I do think she deserved to be disbarred. I can only imagine how many other people she has fraudulently sold their property, and now they probably can't get it back because she's about to be in jail. But that's neither here nor there. Comment in the comment section and tell me if you think she's going to be spending some years or a few months in jail, or do you think that because she's an attorney and a well-known attorney, you think that her associates are going to have pity on her and just give her a slap on the wrist? Because you know that that's what they do. They drink, smoke, and send their kids to the same school and talk about who the more rob next. and when them get catch, them pick up for them one another, especially when you're in that type of high society, judge, doctor, lawyer, and these things. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. What part of here, man? Deuces.
Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.